Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to make a water heater repair service website. The platform that we'll be using to create our website is Wix Website Builder. The reason why I recommend Wix Website Builder for your business website is because with Wix you can get started for completely free. As you can see right here, you don't need a credit card to sign up. It is also beginner friendly. Plus, there are thousands of tutorials online showing you how to do different features using Wix. It is in fact one of the most popular website builders and one of the most highly rated because most of their features are drag and drop. And even if you're completely new to the online space when it comes onto website, you will find out with time that this is an easy to use website builder. So you're going to tap on Get Started. Then you'll be redirected to the login page. From here, you can choose to sign up using your email address, Google account, or Facebook account. Once you have signed up, you will be redirected to a new page and you're going to tap on Create New Site in the top right hand corner. After you have done that, I want you to tap on Build on the Wix editor in the bottom left hand corner. Then you're going to tap on Set up without chat. And from here, you're going to type in water heater. So you can see it right here. You can type in water heater. And then you will see the option water heater repair service. You can select that. Then tap on continue. And from here, you will be redirected to your new dashboard. On the dashboard, you'll be able to add in your website name. So I'll just call it water heater for example's sake. Then tap on continue. Then we'll be offering services. If it is a case that you would like to also collect leads, share knowledge or so on, you can select that. Then you will tap on continue, and we definitely want the booking app added. If you want any one of the other apps, you can add them. For example, you could add blog. You can also add portfolio and display work that you have done in the past. You could do that, but we'll just leave it at booking for now. Then tap on continue. Once you are redirected to your website dashboard, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to select Catalog, then select Booking Service. From here, you'll be able to add your first service. So you can see some sample templates that you can use. So for example, let's say we were to offer virtual consultation. You could select that package. Then you could change the cover image. And you can scroll down, you can change, for example, the duration. And if you would like to offer it at a price, you can select fixed price, varied price, or let's say we will be offering the virtual consultation for free. I'll select free. Then from there, I'll just tap on save in the top right hand corner. After you have done that, you can tap on save right there. And you could set up the different services that you would like to offer. Once you're finished doing that, you're going to tap on Setup in the top left-hand corner. Then after tapping on Setup, you're going to tap on Design Site in the top right-hand corner. And you're going to tap on Pick a Template. After selecting Pick a Template, you can either select Business and Services. And you could select a particular category. So let's say Services right there. And you can see the different templates that you can choose from. And there are numerous templates that you can select from. Let's say we were to select this one, tap on edit. After selecting edit, you'll just give it a few seconds while your website is being set up in the background. Once it is up and running, I'll be showing you what to do next. So you can see it is up and running right here. The first thing you will need to do is close the pop-up box. Or if you would like the Wix AI to compose some content to add to your website, you could type in information right here and tap on generate site text. But we're going to close it, then tap on the plus 50%. And from here, we can start editing our website. So we could tap on the text in the header section, then select edit. And from there, we're just going to type in water heater repair. And we'll do that real quick. After doing that, you can continue editing. You could tap on the phone number and change it. and you can continue editing right here. So I could tap on call now, then tap on edit, and you can edit the text. You can also change the background by tapping on change, then select image, and for example I could type in water heater right here, then tap on enter, or I could select upload media and I could upload an image. So let's say we were to select this image, then tap on change background. After you have done that, you can see that the background image has changed. Then to continue editing, you could select the services section and you can start changing the background, and you can also scroll down and change the information that is there. If it is a case that you would like to add something that you don't see, so for example, let's brighten this text right here. So I'll select the text and then we're going to tap on quick edit once more, and from there we're just going to brighten the text. So I want to select that text, and from there you can see the different options. I could choose to bold them, so you can see right there, or I can tap right here and change the direction or so on. And as I was saying earlier, if it is a case that you would like to add something that you don't see, you could tap on the plus in the top left hand corner, and from there you'll be getting access to all of the elements. So you could drag and place a text, you could place an image, you can place anything that you want on your website. And to view the different pages, you will select pages. So that would be the third icon from the top left hand corner, and from there you can see all of the different pages on your website, and you can quickly select any one of the pages and you can start editing it. It is as easy as that to start editing. And if you like to add a section, you can hover down and then tap on add section. After you have tapped on add section, you can see you are provided with three options. You can either choose to design the section manually, use AI, or add elements, as you can see right there. Let's say we were to tap on design section. By going over to the left hand menu option, you can see the different sections. Let's say we were to add business info. You'll tap on business info. Then we're going to be using this element for example. So you'll simply drag and place it. It's as easy as that. Then you can edit the business information. Once it is up and running and to your liking, you'll tap on preview in the top right hand corner to preview how it looks. Once it is okay, you will tap on publish and you now have your website. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching. Also keep in mind that if you want to accept payments, you would need to upgrade. So you'll tap on upgrade now, and if you want to accept payments, you'll need to upgrade. That is the only thing. If you're going to be accepting payments online, you'll need to go onto their paid plan. But once you don't want to accept payments online, you'll be able to use their website builder for completely free. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, or if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section, and thank you for watching.